Do you think that statistic is okay? Okay. Number 2, we are rating number 2 in the entire country with teenage pregnancy. That's bad. All right. I'm gonna shock you on this one. Indaba ye-HIV. Abantwana masimamele from the age of 12 years old, already they are infected by HIV. Ithi ke ngokulonto leyo, abantwana they know their status, abanye they don't know their status. Enye that I'm going to shock you with, yokubana ngaba kuzo zonke lezi pregnancies that I'm carrying, kukhona ne-termination that is taking place, ukuqhomfa kwezisu. Siyabana ne? So, xana ngaba usenza i-abortion, at this stage, maybe you are scared of your parents. They won't see you, xana ngaba you are pregnant. You are scared of your teachers, of your friends. But the problem is that the older you get, it's gonna come back to you and it's gonna haunt you. Psychologically, you won't be able to function. Kuthiwa ke abantwana, they don't go to the clinic for prevention. Bayocwangcisa. Mna ke andishumayela ivangeli yocwangcisa. Siyavana ne? Mna ndishumayela ngeka abstinence, because when you abstain, you won't fall pregnant. Step number 1. Because remember, you are still at school. And as you are at school, you have a future, and your future is bright. And you need to make sure that you work according to the best of your abilities. So ASP, when you abstain, you won't be infected by HIV. It's okay, still, ratings HIV. So that means we have an elephant in the room. How do we take the elephant out of the room? Because it's according to but now we need to use these strategies. One of the prevention methods that I want to leave you with today. Prevention is better than cure. Abstain, abstain, abstain. Amaxesha amaninzi indaba kwi-teenagers the issue of belonging. We call it a FOMO, a fear of missing out. You guys don't want to miss out. You want to experiment. That day when you are saying you are experimenting any sexual activities, unfortunately, it will be the day where you infect HIV. They are infected. Do you think that is good? You are very young, HIV, you are still young, your future is bright. You still need to focus on your studies, focus on your future. So we have serious challenges in South Africa, specifically in the Joburg district. Anything that we are experiencing in substance abuse. In substance abuse, abanye bathi yi-Okapipe, bathi yi-Hookahpipe. Igama layo lifundisa ikithi Hookahpipe. I-Okapipe is a street name. Mhlawumbe masithi eYiritim bazawuthi yi-Okapipe. eJoburg bathi yi-Hubbly. So kune-street names eye ibizwe ngazo. What you normally do in that Okapipe, you put flavors, and when you take it, you think it is cool. Okapipe is not cool at all. Did you know that 1/2 of Okapipe equals to 10 cigarette Zol? That's how powerful it is. That's how dangerous it is. I was narrating the story yesterday to the learners, Lady Gray. There was this one guy, I know him. Wayefunda kwesinye isikolo esese high school. Ndasebenza eYansimville ngoku ekhaya ngaseRhafrenet. La mntana waye active, huge. playing sport and ke kwela cala ke badlala irugby kakhulu because icala lamakhaladi.